The Sora 2 has completely changed the video generation game. Just look at this.
Get it, Sam! Come on, hang on! I'm pulling the stop! Whoa! I made it.
It's him! Sam! Please give us the Sora 2 invite code!
Give me a second, I just ran across the platform.
A stunning, ultra-realistic video of a Markhor created entirely by AI. And check this one out too. The level of detail is unbelievable. But here's the problem. Many of you still can't access Sora 2 because you don't have an invite code. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a 100% working and legal method to access the official Sora 2 website. Plus, I'm giving away an exclusive Sora invite code. But here's the catch. Only 6 slots are available. I've hidden the code at a random part of the video, so make sure you watch till the very end carefully. First, to get the code, you need to visit the website called escaping.work. Once you're on the website, you'll notice that escaping.work helps you take a mental break when everything gets too overwhelming. But what's more interesting is that this is the website where you can actually get the Sora 2 invite codes for free. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find a section called Sora for All. Click on that section and you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, you'll see an option labeled Get Invite Code. Click on it and the website will display a new interface. Here, you can also see the number of users currently online. Now in this section, you have to copy the given text, paste it into the provided box, and then click on the send button. After that, you'll need to type the number 4 and then copy another piece of text that appears. Once you send that message, the website will reply to you with your invite code. The idea behind this system is that it's built on teamwork. You promise to share your invite code with more users on the same website so that the system continues running smoothly and helps everyone access Sora. So, after you've received your code, you can also contribute by posting it there for others to use. Once you've got your invite code, the next step is to search for the Sora 2. When you're on the official Sora 2 website, make sure that you're connected to a USA-based server through a VPN. This is important because Sora currently only works properly when accessed from the USA. As you can see, I'm using a VPN to connect to a USA location. After you're connected, go back to the Sora website, paste your invite code in the field provided, and click on Join New Sora. Now, in our first attempt, the code didn't work, and that's perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about it. Just go back to the escaping.work website and click on Code Doesn't Work. Doing this will generate a new invite code for you. Copy that new code, return to the Sora website, paste it again, and click on Join Now. If it still doesn't work on your second try, don't panic. This system sometimes takes multiple attempts. Because of repeated failed attempts, we'll go through the same process again on the escaping.work website and request another new invite code. Once you've got the next one, copy it, paste it on the Sora website, and this time, let's hope it works. And finally, on our fourth attempt, you can see that the sign-up process has been successfully completed. The code worked perfectly, and we are now logged into Sora 2. On the main page, you can see the cameos option where you can describe what kind of video you want to generate. You'll also see several famous cameos that you can use in your videos. So without wasting time, let's get started with the cameo option. We'll use one of the most popular cameos of Sam Altman called Sama. In the prompt section, I'll enter a funny scene of Sama running on a train platform, holding a live hen in his hands, desperately trying to catch a departing train. Once your prompt is ready, you can check the settings such as orientation. Here, select portrait, and for the duration, we'll select 15 seconds. When everything looks good, click on Create Video. Your video will then be added to the queue and the generation process will begin. It might take some time to render, but once it's done, you'll be able to see the final results of your AI-generated video right there on the platform. Here you can see our generated video.
Guess we're walking, buddy.
Now we are going to create the second part of the video, the same one that we used in the intro of our project. So these are the two clips we'll be combining. For the next part, we'll add our second prompt. In this new prompt, the same character will now be entering the train while someone stops the train for him. Once the prompt is ready, we'll again check the video orientation and duration settings and then click on the Start button. After that, the video will be added to the queue and start processing. When the rendering is complete, you can see the final output, and it's done an excellent job. The visuals look highly realistic and also quite funny at the same time.
Sam, please give us the Sora 2 invite code.
Sora 2 code! Sora 2 code! Give me a second, I just ran across the platform.
Here are a few more video generations that I've created using the same Sora 2, and you can check them out as well.
Big arms. Roll it, turn. What on earth? Up, clap. Side shuffle. Let's go. Is this Zumba?
And that brings us to the end of our tutorial. This was the complete guide on how to get Sora 2 invite codes for free using this method from escaping.work. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Thank you for watching.